Okay, as we work with images, sometimes we need to adjust one part of the image compared to the rest. And in this case, this image over itself is a little bit overly dark. So what we can do here is I'm going to add a levels adjustment layer. Now remember, when you add an adjustment layer, it's going to affect any layers below it. And in this case, since we only have the background image, it's only going to affect the background. But if you do have multiple layers, this is where you want to create a clipping mask. If you're on a Mac, you hold down your Option key. If you're on a PC, you hold down the Alt key, and you can click right between the lines here, and it'll create a clipping mask. Okay, and when you make any adjustments, it only will affect the layer right below it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the brightness values here, and when I do this, I'm losing detail up here in the sky area. So what I'm going to do is, because anytime you add an adjustment layer, you add a mask, and with that mask you could basically tell it where you want to apply the image or the adjustment to. And so just like with a layer mask, you can actually go in and use the painting tools. In this case, I'll just use the gradient tool. I'll use black to white, and I'll start it up here at the very top, or like in the middle, and I'll come down. And as you can see here, it's a painting in the mask. It's painting in black up here at the top, and then there's gradual adjustment. So it's very similar to a video, another video tutorial I posted. But I always like to show different ways with different images because it's such an essential piece. So as you can see here, it is affecting, and I can go back in and I can start tweaking this a little more. So I might want to go in and bring this out a little bit. And I'll make some other adjustments with my levels command. And it's not going to affect the sky area because the mask is telling it not to apply it in that area.